Hey there guys, in this video let us see how to identify the hashes, and in Linux there is a popular tool called Hash-identifier to identify the hashes. So you can just go to the application menu and go to the password attack and you can find the tool, and you can just use the tool by simple commands such as you can just enter Hash-identifier and you can see this pop up and you can just enter your hash over here and you can find what type of hash it is. So I'm just copying the SHA-256 and I will just paste it in here and let's give enter. So it's saying there's a problem, so let's copy another hash. So let me copy the SHA-512 and just copy it and paste it in here. So it says the possible hash is SHA-512 and maybe the possible hash is purple and the least possible hashes. And also I've written a tool called the Hashmo, which is very much similar to the hash identifier, but in Hashmo I have added many other features such as not many other features, I have added many different hash types, whereas in hash identifier the last version was it was kind of very old, so I just made a tool called Hashmo, and the Hashmo was replicated from the hash identifier, but there are a few things which are added up in the Hashmo. So it is pretty much very easy to use the Hashmo. You can just come here, and also I will give the repository link in the description box below, and just copy this and let's do a git clone. I think I already have this tool. Let me do a list, and so you can see the Hashmos over here. So let me remove the tool so that you know how to install it. So now let's do a git clone. So git clone Hashmo. So now we have done a git clone. So let's do a list and we can find the Hashmo over here. So let's go to the directory and now let's do list. Now let's enter Python 3. So you can see I have worked with this tool hashmo.py. And now let's specify the we can specify the hash type or we can just give enter, and so you can see it is very much similar to the hash identifier, but many other hash types were added up in the Hashmo, and if you want you can just do a git clone and work with it. So let me copy, let me go down and let's copy the Hebel 128,4 and just paste it in here, and let's try with some other things. Let's try SHA-384. So it has found the SHA, it says the possible hash is SHA-384. So anyways, you can work with the hash identifier or Hashmo. So these hash identifiers are very much easy to work, and I think this is the very easy tool to work with in Kali Linux. And yeah, that's it about the hash identifier tool, guys. And also you can identify the hashes by just viewing it, by just seeing the length of the hashes. So it is another way, and yeah, that's it. And do support my repository, make sure you fork and give a star, and also check out my blog post on the hash identifier. If you have any doubt you can check it out, and also if you have any doubt you can comment down below. I will be helping you out. And I have found that in hash identifier there are some issues such as not found, the hash is not found. That is because even you can see in the Hashmo, when I enter this hash, it says that not found. This is because there may be an error while processing. So that's the problem, I guess. That's the most probable problem, I guess. Yeah, that's it about the hash identifying, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next video, guys.